What's up guys, and you're probably wondering what we're doing today, but our TV or radio has no signal or bad signal. They both share the same antenna, so I'm gonna check that out. Just to show you, start with the TV. So it's showing, but not as good as it should. The other analog channel is not working, and the other channel that showed this is also not working, so that's that. Let's try for the radio. We don't have Wi-Fi on board, so this is our form of entertainment, so we have to check out this one. Nothing there. And yeah, nothing. Let's try file. Zip. Yeah, nothing. So let's do a little investigation and go fix that antenna. One of the places the problem could be is the what they call a technical lockup, and that's where most of the connections are made, so we can check there first before going up to the mast. So inside this technical lockup, the antenna is right there. That's where the junction box is. Everything still looks connected. Another possible cause is that this antenna amplifier, is probably plugged out. So it's just gonna switch it. Let's check if it fixes the problem. Yeah. Okay, that would be easier than going all the way up there. Let me show you. It's not made for me, man. Woo. Now the actual antenna is on the mast, and what we call the mast is that thing right there. So that is the mast, and the antenna is right there. They were cleaning inside the technical locker, so it would make more sense that it was unplugged as opposed to the antenna suddenly gone bad. So we plugged it back in. So let's check back the TV before we even try to go up there. Okay. Now let's see if it fixes it. TV. Change the channel. Wow, would you look at that? Don't have to go on the mask anymore. Let's try the other channel. All channels are all channels are showing. Let's try the radio. Let's go with power on. Feel like it's gonna work because they're both connected to the same antenna, so one's working, the other one is going to be working. Ah, hearing something. Let's change this in 105.1. Yeah, catch you next time, guys. Now that it's fixed, I can take off this ridiculous harness, but it's for safety, so I'm not complaining.